Greeting. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at how we can import this PowerPoint presentation here into Google Slide. Yes, into Google Slide. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular step. First thing we wanted to do is to bring up the browser, just like that. When you bring up the browser, what you wanted to do, to sign in. So here I'm going to choose an account. So while choosing account, I'm going to enter password. And while I enter the password, I'm going to press next. And when I press next, definitely, here it take me into the email. I want to come right here to the 9 little dot. Right over on this particular side here is 9 little dot. We're going to click on it. Right, what I want to look for, definitely. Right, so we're going to scroll down. So we're going to be looking for Google Drive. Right here. So we're going to click it. Right here. I remember what we want to do is to import. Now we're actually in the drive here. Now we're going to come right here to new. Yes, right here to new. You want to click on the word new. Right, you're going to go along all the way here. This itself is a Google slide. So when you come all the way right here, right, and then click on this arrow, you want a blank presentation. Then click on a blank presentation. And there you go. Right, notice you bring up the theme over here. And this is an idea. I'm going to close that. All right, very important. So what we want to look for now, how to import the PowerPoint presentation. Right, so when you click on word file, if you notice, you have several areas in this section. You have new, open, import, copy, download, and all of that. But what we want to focus on is the import slide right here. So I'm going to click on it. And notice as soon as I click on it, you notice right here, show you several PowerPoint. But what I want to do is to click right here and upload. And right here, show me that I can select a file. I'm going to click right here. Right, and while I click right here, you notice I haven't seen it as yet. You go come to your left, I'm going to click on the desktop right here. So this is the one that I wanted. When I click right here, I'm going to click on the word open. Right, and if you notice it's shown right here that it's actually loading. Right, very important here. So that's actually uploading. But if you notice this section here, you notice it bring up this particular screen right here. Right, so as notice, as I can see right here, show the different slide right here. So if you notice right down here, that I can actually import. So what it does here is to give me the chance to select the slide that I want. So I'm going to select this one here. You know, so as soon as I select it, you know, so what is the import slide? I'm going to choose the one that I really want, just like that. And I can actually select it just like that and select it. So as soon as I finish select it, I can come right here. You know, to show my slide I select already. Here so that I can actually go back. So I'm going to click right here. When I click right here, eventually what happens over here. And if you notice, back up on this side, notice these are all the slides here. But for the first one, you can actually come here and right click and delete that first one. So notice this is exactly how it looks like. This is how you actually import. Right? So what if I want to just run a slideshow to get a test result that looks like in the Google slide? Right, you know, it's right here's a slideshow. You're gonna click on it. When you click on it, there you go. You notice you actually have it here. You can press the down arrow, and there you go, just like that. Very important, just like that. So you go. When you finish, you can press the escape key, just like that. It actually takes you back out. So that is how we actually import the Microsoft PowerPoint here into this Google Sheet here, Google Slide rather. Right, so if you have learned something from this video, just remember to write a comment, share it to your friend, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.